Look how beautiful that's looking. Give it a turn. Come on now. Boy, they gonna think we insane. What's the temperature out here, y'all? It's 11 degrees. Feels like -1. Ooh. We gonna just keep it cooking. We going at 250 degrees. I got hickory and apple on this bad lemon herb chicken today. Y'all wanna see something? Let's give it a flippity flip. Look how beautiful that's looking. Give it that model turn. All right, about another hour. It's done, son. Oh, so tender. Ooh, look how moist that is. Look how. Ooh. People say, well, how the breast taste? I feel like being like Jerome in Purple Rain. Man.